Hey, it's another 2-minute episode. Here we go. We're going to get started. 2 minutes for the busy people. We have 2 minutes and it makes no sense. With this podcast, help you. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey, my name is SL Rockfish, and today we are going to do another idiom. And this one is keep me posted. Keep me posted? Yeah, keep me posted means update me with new information. Hey, you're going to that meeting? Keep me posted about how things go. Keep me up to date with the new info. Oh, okay. Keep me posted. You could use it at work. You could use it at home. Hey, I love it when the kids call me and keep me posted about what's going on in their lives. Keep me posted means update me with new information. Got it? You can keep your friends posted. You can keep your family posted. Whatever you do, just keep everyone posted. But you can use keep me posted when you want people to update you with new information. All right? English, it's fun. Try it. Hey, keep me posted on whether or not you enjoyed this episode. All right? Go on, use this at work, at home. Just use it in your everyday life and keep me posted on how it goes. Keep me up to date. Have a great day, friends. Peace. Keep me posted on how it goes, okay? See you tomorrow.